Open your browser. Go to www.atarbia.com. Choose your course. Choose subcategory. Add to cart. Click View Cart from the pop-up or the main menu. Proceed to checkout. Enter your details. Make sure to provide the right email address as the recordings will be sent to the same email. Check the box. Click Place Order. Recheck your details. Click on PayPal. Either log in to your PayPal account or click on Pay by debit or credit card. Enter your card details. Click Continue and complete the payment. You will receive access to the course within 2 business days. Keep an eye out for the email provided and may you have a fruitful journey.